How to sanitize bathroom tiles. Before you move in, how about sanitizing the bathrooms? Remove all the dead skin cells old tenant left behind. Are you worried about dust mites after construction? Steam cleaning with natural products can help ease your worries. Get sparkling sanitized surfaces after remodeling. Deep cleaning without steam cleaning the bathroom. That's just not advisable. Steam cleaning with natural products will remove bacteria and improve odor. Steam cleaning services are great for the elderly. As we get older, cleaning becomes difficult. We recommend steam cleaning services for grandparents, new parents, and allergy sufferers. Give us a call at 929-326-3201. If you want a fresh start, use our steam cleaning services. Thank you for watching. Was this cleaning tip helpful? Please let us know what you think. If you would like to book our deep cleaning services in New York City, please give us a call at 929-326-3201. This is how it looks after steam cleaning the bathroom tiles. These tiles are sanitized. The air quality is improved in the bathroom. Thanks again. We hope you subscribe and keep coming back for more. Have a great day by making someone else's day better. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.